my son just turned 7. My oldest son just turned 7, and he got a bunch of gifts sent to him by his grandparents and stuff. And so one of the gifts he got was in this big cardboard box, and he decided that he loved the cardboard box more than the present. So he started playing with the box. He got in the box. This box is my boat. This box is my car. I love this box. I'm gonna do everything with the box. Time to go to bed. Takes the box and he puts it in the bed. The box is gonna sleep with him in the bed. And this is a big box. This is a big box. So he takes the box in his bed and he puts a pillow in it and he puts a blanket on it. And so my wife and I said, let him, so are you gonna name your box? And he's thinking, he's going through all these names, and finally he goes, yes, I've named the box. Well, what's the name of the box? Joe Biden. So I prefer Joe in the box as opposed to Joe Biden. This next song is another new song from the record. We were